Hey, what's up? Happy Sunday, everyone. It's day number 26 of my 100 Days of Code Challenge, and today I worked more on JavaScript. So, although I'm new to JavaScript, I'm actually really familiar with a lot of the programming concepts, such as working with variables, strings, really basic stuff, and that's exactly what I did today in JavaScript. So since I'm already familiar with those concepts, I was basically just learning the syntax. So first I learned how to create and name variables, and then I learned the difference between var, let, and const. Then I moved on to strings and I learned how to get input from users, as well as how to combine strings with concatenation. Then I learned more about displaying strings to an actual web page, and finally I learned about template literals. And I've seen the use of template literals before, but when I didn't understand it, it really seemed very foreign to me. But now that I understand it, I honestly love it. It's super cool to be able to insert your variables right into your strings like that. So that's it for today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see some more of these. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a great day. Say bye, Beyonce.